President Bola Tinubu has altered the forceful takeover of 4,794 revoked lands in the Federal Capital Territory (FCT) for non-payment of ground rent for prolonged years. The Director of Land Administration (FCT), Chijioke Nwankwoeze, disclosed this in a statement released on Monday night, 26th of May 2025. The statement reads, "Today, May 26, 2025, we commence enforcement on the 4,794 properties revoked for non-payment for ground rent from 10 to 43 years. Properties owned by government institutions, corporate organizations, and individuals were affected. This demonstrates the Federal Capital Territory Administration commitment to carrying out its functions without fear or favor." However, the President, His Excellency Bola Tinubu, has intervened. Therefore, by Mr. President's intervention, owners of the affected properties now have 14 days, that is, 2 weeks, to settle the outstanding ground rents with associated penalties. For properties in the central area, the sum of 5 million naira will be paid by the defaulters as penalty, in addition to the ground rent owed. Those in Maitama, Asokoro, Wusetu, and Guzape district will pay the sum of 3 million naira as penalty, in addition to the ground rent owed. Defaulters in Wuse 1, Gaki 1, and Gaki 2 will pay 2 million naira as penalty in addition to the ground rent owed. All those who purchased properties from other people but are yet to register their interest by obtaining the mandatory minister's consent and registering their deeds of assignment now have 14 days, 2 weeks, to do so at the FCT Department of Land Administration. While this has generated mixed reactions online, share your thoughts in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates. Keep watching Niaja News TV.